Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys around this beautiful blue 2000 Suzuki Carry truck. It's coming to us with about 90,000 miles, or 90,000 kilometers, about 56,000 miles. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive. It's got AC, pretty rare feature on K trucks. Let's go ahead and take a look around. Going around, as you can see, it's a very clean truck. No rust really anywhere. Now, of course, it is a K truck, so you do get the sideboards that do fold down, like so. They'll go all the way down. The joints need to be lubricated a little bit, and just four of these types of latches on each corner of the bed. Well, one for each corner, and sideboards fold completely flat, makes loading anything very easy. Taking a look inside here, as you can see, door seals all clean as well. Seats are in pretty good condition. Obviously this one's been stitched up. Push button four-wheel drive, as I said, and there's your automatic. AC and your radio, of course. Not sure if that one is AM and FM or AM only. Let me go ahead and get the key in, show you guys the mileage. Right there, as I said, about 90,000 kilometers, about 55, almost 56,000 miles actually. Of course, manual crank windows as well. They work as they should. And with this newer Carry, the Restyle, you get door pockets. Very nice to have. Something that older K trucks didn't, and did make it fairly rough if you need to carry some smaller things. Looking under the kind of hood, we've got your windshield washer fluid reservoir, your jack, rod for that, coolant, and your brake fluid there. Very compact, but also everything is very easy to access. Coming around to the passenger side, again, door seals very clean. Down on the floor right there is the lug wrench. Everything's all good here, everything checks out. Manual window works as well. Here is that lug wrench I was talking about. This is basic lug wrench. Will get your tire off and replaced if you get a flat. Looking over here into the glove box, sizable glove box, significant improvement over the previous gen Carry. Inside the glove box, it had the had some documentation regarding the car, probably service records, and actually this is the service record, I believe. As for this, not entirely sure. I can't read Japanese. Now, as I've said in other videos on Carries in general, actually, your engine access is going to be located underneath the driver's and passenger's seats. Just a couple latches down here, and the seat will fold up. Over here on this side, you got your battery and access to spark plugs, engine oil, And on the other side, that's where you'd get to like your alternator, the alternator belts, AC belts, and it's the same process on the driver's side. Just a couple latches, as you can see there. And again, seat just comes right up. I'll go ahead and start this up now. As you can see, starts right up, no problem. Horn works. I'm gonna get the lights, hazards turned on so you can see that those are all functioning as they should be. Fender one there, as you can see, works. Headlights, turn signals all work here as well. Let's go around back. Same story. Brake lights, turn signals back here all work as well. You get about 350 kilograms of load capacity, about right around 770 pounds, if I'm remembering correctly. Coming back inside the Carry, I'll go ahead, get these turned on. Make sure all that is functioning as it should. AC is blowing cold, turned off. Oof. I get that cleaned up, and it is blowing warm. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this for a little drive for you all. It does get moving pretty good. Automatic transmission feels like it is in good condition. Feels like how one of these should feel. Yeah, overall truck does feel good. No power steering in this one, so steering's a little bit tricky when you're going slower, but once you speed up, it doesn't really bother me or anyone else that I've had drive these. Out on some main roads, not sure what I hit there. Does get up and going pretty well. Very, very nice to drive around the town. Being an automatic, fairly sure it'll get you up to about 60 miles an hour, but I wouldn't really go on the freeways for extended periods of time in one of these automatic trucks. But if you're just going around town, maybe a short ride on the freeway or highway, it is actually very pleasant to drive, despite the fairly low horsepower rating. As you see, it gets up and going fairly well. There's about 35 miles an hour. But yeah, if you'd like to check out some more info on this 2000 Suzuki Carry or any of our other JDM right-hand drive vehicles that we've got in stock, head to jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. You'll find all of our info there, contact and all that. If you're in the area and would like to come check out the inventory yourself, our Seattle location is going to be located at 16017 Aurora Avenue North in Shoreline, Washington. And our second location in the state of Washington is over in Sequim on the peninsula, located at 87 Drake Road in Sequim, Washington, right off the 101 freeway. That's spelled D-R-Y-K-E, and the city Sequim, S-E-Q-U-I-M. Thank you for watching this walk around. Have a wonderful day.